working on a Landa VNG 4-3000. Problem with this guy was the burner, the customer was complaining that one of our competitors came out. They replaced the unloader, and they also replaced the gas valve because the burner wasn't working. They fixed the problem. The burner works, and what happened was the unit's just not getting as hot as it's supposed to. So what we at A&E did was we came in and we turned the gas valve off. Right here, you can see the gas valve. We turned it off, and right here there is a port to put your gauge. We took our gauge tester, we put it in here, we turned the gas valve back on, and then we checked for pressure. We got 7.5 inch columns of water coming into the gas valve. So what we did was we went, closed the valve again, put the plug back in it, then we came over to this side, which is the outlet port, and we put our gauge in there. We initiated the burner, and once we did that, we got the measurement of 1.5 inch columns. Now this is very low and was partially the problem of this unit not getting hot enough. We measured it before we adjusted it to 5, which it should be 5 to 7 inch columns. Before we measured it, before we adjusted it, we measured the temperature, and the temperature was sitting about 140. After we got it up to 5, which was maxed out on this valve, we were able to achieve 165, which still is kind of low for this machine. Once I got it going, I came down in here. This has a square style burn. Landa likes to use these. I don't know if you can kind of see it's square. It has these orifices that go into like a triangle. This whole row right here was not firing, so there's probably some debris in there. It's getting stuck. The customer said that they cleaned it out with some index drills, but I let them know that that's not always the right fix for this. So we're going to take it off, make sure the burner's off, and we're going to use the pressure washer and just flush it all out. We're going to reinstall it, test it out, and we're going to see what temperature we're going to be at. I also wanted to show you guys this. As you can see, it has a flow switch, ST5 flow switch, but when I came over here, there's a high limit there now, obviously, but there was a thermostat port right there. You see the thermostat there. The wire is just hanging here, and also on this side, the wiring for that was just laying right there like that. Our competitor had left this wiring just dangling in here, hot wire. It's not safe. It's not something that A&E does. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a high limit switch in here because there's no safety for this burner at all. So this thing could overheat, cause damage to somebody here, cause damage to a technician that comes out. So we let the customer know that we need to get a safety switch in here so that nothing happens. So we are going to do that, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what we achieved.